welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Molique with Juante, and we are back with another video. We are going to be cooking today, y'all. Cooking, because your girl gotta eat, okay? We gotta eat. We gotta feed ourselves, okay? So I am going to fix some Parmesan Crusted Shrimp over some Penne pasta with a side of green beans, and yeah, that's what we're cooking today. Something simple. It sounds like a lot, but it's not. And we're gonna get to it, okay? So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. To begin with, we'll start with our seasonings, what we're gonna use. It's probably gonna seem like a lot, but it's not, y'all. I promise you. As I continue to grab things. Okay, I think I got all my seasonings. So we're gonna start with nature seasoning. This is gonna be put on the shrimp. Yeah, so before I even like do the Parmesan crusted part, we're gonna season our shrimp, okay? Seasoning is the key part of cooking. If you didn't know, now you know, okay? So we're gonna use nature seasoning, Old Bay, Mrs. Dash. Yes, I have large portions of them because I shop at Sam's Club all the time, okay? So those, and then we have garlic powder, Italian seasoning, some crushed red pepper, some lemon juice, and some minced garlic, okay? That is our seasonings. Now it sounds like a lot, but when I'm done, you're gonna understand why, and it's gonna be bomb, okay? It's going to be bomb. So before we start on the shrimp, let's go ahead and get the water boiling for the noodles. So that portion is already taken care of. I am using the Kroger brand of the whole grain penne regate. I'm gonna go with regate. Penne, honey, whole grain penne. That is what we're gonna use. I am just making a serving because sis, it's just me. It's just me. So let me get the water. Hey y'all. I have music playing in my hair all the time. So we have our water. Grab the olive oil so that our noodles don't stick. And that is that. So we're gonna let that do what it do and get hot, and then we'll add these noodles to that water. In the meantime, in between time, we're gonna go ahead and get this shrimp prepped and ready for the stove. These are like large jumbo shrimp, so it's a good size. So I'm gonna go ahead and place those on the napkin, so I can drain a little bit more. I kind of want to keep the tail on them for whichever ones still have the tail there. This one did not, so that's fine. But we do like to keep the tail on there. It just cooks a little bit better. All right, y'all. We're gonna wrap that up and throw that away. So we have our olive oil. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on here. Just a little, not too crazy.
I'm gonna mix that around. So the shrimp is coated with the olive oil. From there, I'm gonna start with a little Old Bay. Nothing crazy, guys. We're not overdoing it. We just want a little bit of flavor. We have our Mrs. Dash. Nature seasoning. Italian. A little garlic powder.
I'm about to sneeze, y'all. All the seasonings. And a little crushed red pepper. Okay, a lot of crushed red pepper. We like a little spicy, okay? Take the spoon, Go ahead and spin that around. Spin that around. Oh, oh, spin that around. Oh, oh, spin that around. Oh, oh. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna set this to the side and we're gonna head over to the stove. So give me 1 second. All right, so as you can see, the water is still warming up so that it can get to a boil, which is fine. We're gonna go ahead and add butter to this pan over here. So turn this on like in between 2 and 4. You're probably like, oh my God, that's so much. Mind your business, okay? Just mind your business. So we're gonna let that melt down for a second. This water, we could probably turn it up just a little bit more. Y'all, so we have the water in here, or the noodles in here with the water. We have mixed the garlic with the butter. It is doing what it's supposed to do, honey. So we're just trying to let the flavors of the garlic move through the butter first before adding the shrimp to this here. I'm gonna add a little bit of Italian. Just so that it has a little bit of extra flavor. It's not like salt or anything, so it's just extra to add to your mixture. All right, so now that we have that doing what it's supposed to do, we're gonna go ahead and lay the shrimp out. We're gonna try to like keep them close together. Noodles is noodling with that shrimp. Hey. So before I flip it, I'm gonna add just a little bit of lemon juice. Okay, you see it's already turning an opaque pink. So we're gonna go ahead and flip these. Alright y'all, it's been flipped. We're gonna let that cook just a little bit longer, nothing too crazy. Alright y'all, so the shrimp looks great to me. So we're gonna put some Parmesan on top. The Parmesan is at your discretion, okay? Don't be trying to do what other people do. Do what makes you happy. No little dietary restrict. She on that. Okay? Okay, honey. So we're gonna let her do what it does for a second. Alright, y'all. So the next task is these green beans. So we're gonna get the serving that we want. We already have them here. We're gonna go ahead and cut off the ends. Sit for a minute, clean this part up, and then we'll come in once these noodles are done. We'll come back in a second. Noodles are done. We're gonna go ahead and drain them. From there, we're gonna rinse them with cool water, and we're gonna let them sit. They're good there. Okay, people. Next, it's time to cook these green beans. A little bit of olive oil, just a little, not a lot. Low heat, because they will cook fast. We don't need that. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of minced garlic to that. Like I told you before, let those flavors get in there. Just a little bit of minced garlic. So we're gonna go ahead and add our green beans. We're gonna add a little bit of nature seasoning, literally a little. I'm gonna go ahead and work these around. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna let those sit for a little bit and put a lid over them. There we go. Nothing crazy. Just let that do what it do. In here, we're gonna use, or in here, excuse me, we're gonna put our penne pasta. Let's add a smidget of olive oil again. Turn this on a medium heat. Noodles. Zesty Italian dressing, or zesty Italian dressing. Take it up first. This is that. A little Italian seasoning. And then some lemon juice. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that around. Alright, y'all, it's time to plate it. Nothing crazy. Add our pasta, which looks delightful. We're going to go ahead and add our Parmesan Crusted Shrimp, which looks amazing. Alright guys, so that is it. This is the finished plate. She looks delightful. We love it. It's bomb, okay? But the finisher, honey, the finisher is a glass of wine. What's pasta without wine? So, we have the Oliver Winery and Vineyards Cherry Moscato. So we're gonna go ahead and open this and pour a glass of wine. Go ahead and put that on there. Okay. We got her. We got her. No worries. I'll probably put that on the charger. This is like my favorite wine glass. I got this like 6 years ago, maybe longer. Do y'all remember Scandal? The little wine glasses she used to have? My cousin got everyone wine glasses. I still have mine. So we haven't had this wine before, but we're gonna see how it tastes. Oh, Oliver. You done me good. You done me good. All right, y'all, that's everything I have for you. The wine is good. The food looks amazing. Hello, successful evening. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Cheers.